how to prepare and cook lion's mane mushrooms. So first of all, you get some nice lion's mane mushrooms, and you take some mushrooms like this and you just slice it up, just nice and neatly, slicing it up, not too much. So that's it prepared. So it's like that, and it's going to be very tasty. So we then are going to fry it up. So we then take some butter and we turn on the pan, and we put the butter in there, like so. Get it all around. Let it melt. When it's melted, we then bring over when it's melting, we bring over our lovely lion's mane mushrooms, and we put them in one by one. So there we go, lovely. That's bubbling away. So I'm going to put a couple of, it does spit around, so I'm going to put a couple of bits of paper either side of this. Keep my wife happy, but I don't leave a load of fine spatters all over her beautifully cleaned stove. Just make sure you don't set the paper alight while you're doing it. And we let it go, carry on cooking until it's golden brown. And it's coming along, starting to get beautifully browned. Bubbling away. I'm going to turn these little bits over. Make sure you don't scrape the pan, because this is an expensive Tefal pan. And it's looking beautifully fried up. That one can turn over a bit. Excuse me. So basically that's now cooked. So I'm going to take it over and put it on a plate and some paper to drain off some of the butter. So here's the plate with some kitchen towel on, and I'm going to let it drain once it's drained onto that, it's ready to go. So we just put this in here and we get ourselves a plate and eat and enjoy. You can I put on a bit of salt on it. So actually what I do is I get my electric salt thing, put some lovely sea salt on it, and then it's ready to go. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to my channel. And this is your lion manes mushroom, which will enhance your memory, apparently. Thanks very much and enjoy. You can, of course, have these mushrooms with a nice steak or a bit of meat or chicken, but I just like to eat them on their own. And as you can see, they've all gone now because I've eaten them all. Thanks very much. Have a great day.